Hey, it's your boy Alex the Vegan, back at it again. Gonna show you guys a recipe today. Oh, really excited about it. Sorry I haven't been filming lately, I've been really busy these last couple days, but we are back in action. It's December, gonna be a little Christmas vlog, you know, getting ready for the Christmas season, holiday season. Feeling real good, everything's good, and we out, yeah. Just got done putting the Christmas lights up. Yeah, icicles. They're not on right now, obviously, but you'll be able to see them better at night, which I will also show you that. Alright, so we're back again, about to show you how to make a quick and easy recipe. This one's gonna be vegan pancakes. Super simple, there's like 6 ingredients. It's gonna be like 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of baking powder, got a little bit of coconut sugar going in there, flax seeds for the egg replacement. And also we're gonna add a little bit of salt, just because you need salt when you're doing that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make those pancakes. Super excited, they are very delicious. Not gonna add any protein powder in them, it's alright, we don't need that. We'll be making a smoothie later anyway, but let's go ahead and make these pancakes. Let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so for these pancakes, here we have 1 cup of oat flour. Just grinded it up in the NutriBullet, putting it in here, and then the dry ingredients are going in first. So here we have some sugar. This is a coconut sugar. I'm gonna put this in here. Then I got 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put that in there. And then we have the baking powder. This is about, I would say, a teaspoon, maybe a little more. Put that. Then you wanna mix up all the dry ingredients first. Super simple recipe here, guys. Mix it all up. And then here we have 1 cup of coconut milk. Got 1 cup of coconut milk, gonna pour that right in there. And then we have the flax and water, which is supposed to be like the egg. Give it a little mix up. We're gonna add this as well. And then just gonna get to stirring. It's gonna be a perfect batter right here. You just wanna whip it. But you don't wanna whip it too much, because then the batter won't work and it won't be all fluffy. It's a little runny, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour to this. So we're just gonna let this sit for about 2-3 minutes, warm up the pan, get it ready, and then I'm just gonna use some avocado oil spray to put these on. So here we got the pan, and we're about to put the pancakes in here. Gonna spray some avocado oil as soon as it warms up. So I got this avocado oil spray, gonna use this in here, spray a little bit. So once you start seeing some bubbles form on top of here, you know it's ready to flip. You just gotta get those bubbles. First one's always the test one. You gotta see how it works, if the heat's right, it's always gonna be the test one. You haven't seen any bubbles yet, but I think it's almost ready to flip. I see some smoke coming out from the bottom, so that kinda lets me know that I'm almost ready to flip. Look at that. Perfect little fluff. Little breakthrough. Nice. Alright, so there they are. Had 3 more, but I ate them while I was making them. I was just so hungry. So I would have had 7 total. They're not too big, but 7 of them will definitely fill you up. I'm about to put some maple syrup on here. Look at that beautiful sight. Yeah, buddy, nice and fluffy pancakes, some real great bee maple syrup. These are delicious. I think the instant oat flour makes it better because it's already been a little bit more processed, so it's not as grainy as rolled oats. They're instant rolled oats, so they're just a little bit different. With the syrup, that's a money bite. There we go, got both. Looking good with both colors. Got the icicles and the colored ones. Looking nice. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Real good. Little Christmas tree there. Feeling like we're in the Christmas spirit. Got the poinsettias right here. A little young poinsettia. Real nice little focus on that. Oh, nice focus on that poinsettia all around. Got the Santa hat. And of course, Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas, y'all. So here we have some red lentils. Just gonna wash these. We're gonna make some red lentil soup. So I showed you guys a little bit in the other video, but didn't show you how to do it. So here is the how-to video. Washing some red lentils. Also got these onions that we just cooked down. This is the base of the soup. So just added the red lentils along with the onions and just tossing them around a little bit for about a minute or two. And then you're gonna add some water to the top of it. And after that, I'm just gonna let it sit. So just added the dry lentils to the onions and we stirred them around a little bit dry. And then we just added some water and then we're gonna just cover it and let it sit and boil. So a little update, here's the red lentils after they've been boiling. Don't know why they call them red lentils when they're yellow, but it is what it is. They're looking good, looking delicious. 3 cups of lentils in here, that's 54 grams of protein. Yes, I'm not gonna eat it all, obviously. Gonna be sharing and splitting it up, but it's a lot of protein, a lot of nutrition, calories, clean calories. So after you let it boil, it should turn into a soupy texture, and just added some cumin, some turmeric, some paprika, and cayenne pepper. And gonna stir it all up, and then it should be good to go here in the next 5-10 minutes. So here's the lentil soup. Just add a little paprika just for looks, and then got a touch of lemon that I'm gonna squeeze on here. So I added some dose flakes for the iodine, and then some nooch, because who doesn't love nooch? So how about that soup? That was delicious. So simple, yet so tasty. Not a lot of crazy spices in there. As you guys saw, it was just salt and pepper, plus those 4 spices that I added, the curcumin, the turmeric, the paprika, and the cayenne. Those were the 4, plus salt and pepper, and it's pretty quick and easy. You just wash the lentils 4 or 5 times, and then you just let them sit. Cook the onions first, saute them with a little bit of oil or water if you're doing no oil. Then you add the lentils on top of the onions, stir them around a bit, then add the water on it, let it boil, and just close it and let it sit. After about 30 minutes, the red lentils will pretty much like all split open and get like a soupy texture, and then they'll be yellow like you saw in the video. And then after that, you're pretty much good to go to start eating them. So we checked off the pancakes, checked off the red lentils. Now we're about to check off a smoothie. So let me show you guys how we do that. Let's go. Alright, so here we got 3 bananas, we got 1 date, some frozen mango, and some frozen mixed berries, some blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Alright, just added some Sun Warrior protein, some creatine, chia seeds, got it some hemp seeds in there, and some maca powder. And also, just filled it up with some water, about to blend it all up. Yes, look at that, filled to the brim. Perfect texture, not too thick, not too runny. Nice color. Let's get it down. Man, I cannot make up how good this smoothie is. I don't know what it was. I swear every time I do it, it just gets better and better. The combination on this is just delicious. I just put the hemp seeds in there for the first time. I've had them forever, and I have not used them yet. I don't know why. I've just been doing the chia seeds, and I was just like, man, it is time to mix them both up. So I got some hemp seeds in here, and all that other good stuff that I talked about. Did 3 the first time, but I didn't film it. I should have. Darn. But I got 2. Yo, 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 it's your boy Alex the Vegan once again. I did my first muscle up. How exciting is that? So excited to get my first muscle up. As you guys saw, that was my first one when I was wearing the blue shorts, and then the next day I did 2 in a row. I actually did 3, but I didn't film it. And then the other day, yesterday, or 2 days ago, I was at the gym and I did 5 in a row with the bands. Improvement every single day. Just trying to get better, and sooner or later I will be doing it without the band. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did the pancakes, we did the red lentils, we did the smoothie. Got all those simple, easy recipes for you guys to follow in there. If you guys have any suggestions for me on those videos, please feel free to leave them. I really appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and as always, I will see ya in the next one. The deuce! The deuce!